First, we need to draw the ball. Next, we will make the ball go from point A to point B. We could copy and paste the ball every 2 frames and space them evenly along the path that it would take between these 2 points, but it wouldn't look natural. That's because gravity accelerates the ball as it goes down, so it's slow at the beginning and goes faster at the end. Slow movement has more frames between them, while fast movement has less. Like here, there's more frames here to show the movement in this short distance compared to this part. Of course, the ball won't just stop after hitting the ground once. It will bounce back up at full speed, and then slow down as it reaches the peak of its bounce, and then accelerate again as it falls down. It will keep bouncing until it loses all its energy, and then come to a stop. It would look something like this. But it still doesn't feel right, so we can stretch the fast frames. Imagine the ball being pulled by gravity at the bottom, and the top is trying to resist. Then we can squash the frames that would hit the ground. Imagine the bottom of the ball being pushed up and the top being pushed down by gravity. Remember that the volume of the ball never changes, so it should get thinner as it stretches. Goodbye.